Hi there, Jane. Thanks for emailing me about this. I just wanted to walk you through this website. I'll send you this link, which will be helpful. Okay, so 1/2 plus 2/3. The first thing that we need to do is we need to figure out a number that'll work well on the bottom to have the same common denominator. In this case, a number that would work well is 6, because look here, 1/2 can easily be converted to 3/6. 2/3 can easily be converted by multiplying times 2. Here we multiply times 3 to 4/6. Do you see how 1/2 is the exact same as 3/6 and 2/3 is the exact same number as 4/6? But now they have the same number on the bottom. They have a common denominator. Okay, so 3/6 plus 4/6 is the exact same thing as 1/2 plus 2/3 because we found that common denominator. So step 2 is we're going to add these together. 3/6 plus 4/6. Now that our denominators match, we simply need to add the top straight across. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7, and we keep the bottom denominator the same. Okay, we never add these two together. We just need to add the top. So we have 7/6. So now step 3 is we go through and we think, okay, is there any way we can reduce or simplify this fraction? As you think about if there are any numbers that can help us make this number different or smaller, and none of them actually apply 3, 5, or 7. So we know that none of those will work. 7 is larger than 6, so we're done reducing. Here is our final answer, 7/6, or 1/2 plus 2/3 is 7/6. Essentially the same thing as up here, 3/6 plus 4/6 is the same as 7/6. All right. If you have any questions about that after you've watched this brief screencast, feel free to let me know. You might want to go through and read these steps as well. That might be helpful for you. Okay, just keep on working on it. I'm sure you can get it. Sometimes it takes a little bit of review for some of those basic principles, but just remember we need that bottom number to be the same, and then we can add the top numbers together. All right, thanks.